Welcome to the world of quantum entanglement. It's like a cosmic dance where particles are always in sync, no matter the distance. Sounds complicated? It is, but also super cool. Imagine two particles, tiny specks of matter, linked in a way we don't fully understand. They're best buds. But here's the kicker. You can separate them across the universe, and they're still connected. Measure one particle, bam! You instantly know something about its faraway friend. Like magic, but real. Einstein called it spooky action at a distance. He wasn't wrong. But here's the question that keeps scientists up at night, and us too. Can we use this spooky connection for instant human telepathy to finally know what your dog is thinking? The possibilities are mind-boggling. Let's dive in and see what the science says. All right, science friends, let's put on our thinking caps, or should we say entangled thinking caps. Our mission, to figure out if we humans, with all our complicated thoughts and feelings, can use quantum entanglement to communicate like never before. Our hypothesis, quantum entanglement, could be the key to unlocking instant human connection. Imagine no more awkward small talk, just pure, unfiltered thoughts beamed directly to your bestie's brain. To test this, we'll explore experiments from the wild world of YouTube, the hallowed halls of government research, and even those brave souls tinkering in their garages. Get ready for a wild ride through the wacky world of quantum entanglement. Before we teleport our thoughts across the cosmos, let's break down the science behind this mind-bending phenomenon. Don't worry, we'll keep it light, like a photon. Imagine a coin. Not just any coin, a quantum coin. This coin can be heads, tails, or both at the same time. That's superposition, like having your cake and eating it too, but on a subatomic level. Now entangle two of these quantum coins. Flip one, and it instantly decides the fate of the other. Even if they're light years apart, they're linked. But how? That's where the wave function collapses. Measuring one particle forces it to choose a state, instantly affecting its entangled partner. It's like they have a secret agreement, but the universe itself is the messenger. Crazy, right? And we haven't even gotten to the human part yet. Section 4. Mind-melding mayhem. Could we really think each other's thoughts? Now for the fun part, imagining how entanglement could work with something as messy and complex as the human brain. Picture this, you're craving pizza. Not just any pizza, but that extra cheesy, pepperoni-packed masterpiece from your favorite local joint. With entangled brains, bam! Your friend instantly gets a craving for the exact same pizza. No more texting, no more misinterpreted emojis. Just pure, delicious, thought-transferred pizza cravings. Or imagine learning calculus in an instant. Your brain becomes entangled with a math whiz and boom! You're solving equations like Einstein himself. It sounds like science fiction, but hey, that's where the most exciting science starts. Section 5. Entanglement in action. From YouTube to government labs. So is anyone actually trying to make this mind-blowing tech a reality? You bet! Let's check out what the brilliant minds of the world are up to. On YouTube, DIY enthusiasts claim to entangle everything from coins to thoughts. Results may vary. While entertaining, these experiments often lack scientific rigor. Government labs are exploring entanglement for communication and maybe even mind control? Okay, that last one might be pushing it, but it's fun to speculate. Civilian scientists in basements and garages are pushing boundaries. They might be onto something big. But do any of these experiments prove telepathic communication? That's the multi-billion-dollar question. Section 6. Reality check. Can entanglement really make us psychic? Here's the thing about quantum entanglement. It's amazing, it's bizarre, but it's also easily misunderstood. While those entangled particles are undeniably linked, using them for communication is trickier than it seems. Think of it like this. You and your friend each have a walkie-talkie. You can hear each other perfectly, but you need to speak into the walkie-talkie to transmit information. Entanglement is like having the walkie-talkies already on and tuned to the same channel, but you still need a way to send a message. So, while entanglement might create a bizarre, instantaneous connection, it doesn't automatically give us a way to control or interpret the information being shared. And let's be real, trying to wrangle the trillions of particles in our brains into a coherent thought transmission system, that's a whole other level of complicated. Section 7. The verdict: Entanglement, a wild ride, but don't throw away your phone yet. So after our whirlwind tour of the quantum realm, where do we stand on instant human telepathy? Well, it's not looking good for aspiring psychic superheroes. While entanglement could revolutionize computing and cryptography, using it to beam thoughts directly into someone's brain, that's still science fiction until we microchip our brains, ha ha ha. But that doesn't mean we should stop exploring. Science is about asking big questions, and the quest to unravel the universe is never ending. So keep those thinking caps on, keep asking those big questions, and who knows, maybe one day we'll all be enjoying telepathic pizza parties. Until then, we'll settle for texting our friends and hoping they understand our emojis. Don't miss out on more mind-bending science. Subscribe now and stay entangled with our latest videos. Remember, just like quantum particles, we're always connected.